It is my pleasure to welcome Remi Galasso, founder and Chief Executive Officer of Hawaiki, to the Ciena Sales and Marketing Kickoff. The Hawaiki journey has been fantastic and we really appreciate the partnership. But Remi, can you go back to 2012 and walk us through the gap that you saw in the market and the opportunity this presented to create Hawaiki?
Oh my God, that's a long story. How long do we have? So no, yes, we started in 2012 with this idea of, breaking a monopoly situation and build a new route from Australia, New Zealand to USA, which, as you know, it's a long way. It's about 15,000 kilometers. So breaking a monopoly is not so easy, especially where your competitors are the incumbent telcos from Australia and from New Zealand. So it took a while, obviously, and we had first to, number one, define the right architecture. Second, also define the right business model. And at the end of the day, we come up with an attractive proposal for the market. And it took us about 4 years, Rick, to fund the whole $350 million project. So a very long story to make this happen. But I have to say, number one, you have to, we had a fantastic team and we still have a fantastic team, which I guess is the most important thing. And second, never give up attitude. So here we are. It's in service and we're so happy and very proud.
Wow, what a journey. With such an audacious project, you must have hit many obstacles along the way. Can you share some of those and how you and the team overcame adversity to break through?
So many obstacles. We failed so many times. I think we failed 7 times, in this project. And obstacles are mainly, obviously, sales. So it's a commercial, challenge to convince customers to bet on you. Your system is not built yet, and you ask them to join you and to, trust you. So commercial obstacle, financial obstacle. It's a very difficult financial process. So again, you really need the best team possible. And you need everyone to be focused on the objective and never give up. And at the end of the day, the market said, yes, we need that cable. And we'll be very happy to have competition on this route. So we did it.
I agree. Your entry into the Trans-Pacific subsea market brought competitive offerings to customers. How did you disrupt the market and win share and move customers off their incumbent suppliers?
Well, no choice. If you really want to break a monopoly, which in that case was an 18 years monopoly, you have to be very disruptive. So you have not only to compete with the telcos, but you have also to convince them to become your customers. So yes, we've been very disruptive. I think we've been, first we introduced a new philosophy. We are a carrier neutral system, which means that we do not compete with our customers. So that's really a very strong message to the market. And number 2, you have to be very reactive. You have to be better, than the others, faster. And number 3, of course, you have to be price competitive. So if you have all those ingredients, then yes, you can start to be disruptive. You can start to understand better your customer. And at the end of the day, if you're successful, then you can build and you can start developing your business.
That's a great recipe. At Ciena, we're proud of our partnership with Hawaiki in creating this disruption. But how would you describe our relationship? And what do you expect from Ciena to continue to build on our partnership?
I have to say, frankly, that our relationship is a true partnership. And I mean it. And, I've been meeting with people in the chain of command, from the account manager to yourself and to the CEO of the company. And I have always the same feeling. And this feeling is about respect. So I can really feel that you guys in Ciena are really respectful and you understand our concern and you are here and you do not think short-term, you think long-term partnership. So this is very great. We appreciate it very much. And this is why, mainly the reason why we've been chosen Ciena. Of course, the quality of the technology is very important, but the respect and the partnership that you developed with us is fantastic. Congratulations to all of you, because really it's very much appreciated in my team and by myself.
As you know, we're very excited by our partnership and it's been awesome working together. Remi, last question of the day. Without a doubt, 2020 has been a year of turmoil globally and certainly here in APJ. As you look towards 2021, how do you see business unfolding in the region, and where do you see hotspots of opportunity?
2021 will be a challenge in terms of both, recovering after the COVID, hopefully, and think about geopolitics. What are the new routes that we have to develop? We know the market is booming. We know especially the OTTs are willing for more and more and more capacity. So we will have to build new systems to serve this demand. We will have to build bigger system with more fiber pairs. So it's going to be an exciting 2021, hopefully. But most importantly, I hope everyone will be safe, and I hope we will be finding a solution to this COVID.
I couldn't agree more. The health and safety of our family, friends and colleagues is paramount. On the business front, sounds super exciting. We look forward to continuing to build on our very strong partnership across the region. On behalf of Ciena, thank you for sharing some of your insights and your time with us today. Merci beaucoup. Stay safe and well, my friend.
Well, thank you very much. I do say thank you to the whole Ciena team, because you have been our partner for the past 3 years now, and we do appreciate it. So thank you so much to everyone, and take care.